Hey everyone, Kevin here. What I'd like to do in this video is talk about an Equihash mining pool called Equipool. I'm sure many of you are aware of it. Very good pool, very reliable, they give very good support. And this is what I want to do more often on this channel. You know, sometimes we do focus on negative news and things like that in the industry, but I want to spread more love to the guys out there that are doing good work, good mining pools, good products, good services. And I did this last week with mining speed, pool.miningspeed.com. This is another Equihash mining pool that I use a lot for a lot of different coins. Those guys give great support as well. But I've used Equipool myself quite a lot in the past. I used it for Bitcoin Z. I used it for, I think, Komodo and ZCash. So I just want to have a quick look at the coins. I want to show you how the mining pool works. And then I want to talk about the software, because this probably one of the only pools that's got their own unique software. It's a very interesting idea, and it looks like it's been implemented very, very well. So I want to show you that at the end. But right now, I'll have a quick look at the features here at the top. Very low fees, 0.2%, and they give 0.8% community donations to Bitcoin Z and Bitcoin Private. So for most coins, 0.2%, about 1% for those coins. American, European, and Asian servers, transaction fees paid to miners, automated frequent payments, very low minimum payout, powerful Node JavaScript backend on a gigabit fiber optic connection, hardened Docker-driven infrastructure, multi-coin, multi-pool, proportional payment model, abusers get banned. You know, the proportional payment model, one of the criticisms of it is that people hop around, you know, they hop around and it isn't fair to those who continue mining. But as you can see there, they abuse anyone who do that, so that's good to see. Block found announcements in the Discord group, and they are known. I've actually just signed up to the Discord group today, and it looks like they offer a lot of good support. And they say here, we support all ZCash forks. Please find one we don't support yet, let us know. Okay, so they've got the pool stats at the top and all that. Now, Equipool is no different to mining speed, no different to mining pool up, to any pool. All pools have certain coins that they've got a lot of people mining and other coins that they don't. So they support every single coin, but there are a few coins that don't have a lot of miners, and you can see this here. Bitcoin Private has 3 miners, Hush has 4 miners, but you can see Bitcoin Z has 321 miners, and they've actually got about 10% of the whole network mining from this pool. So it's one of the most popular pools for Bitcoin Z. There's a coin here called Buck, and I've actually not checked this, so you know, this is something else about these pools. It's sometimes you're introduced to coins that you'd never even heard before, so that's pretty cool. But they've got 46 people mining Buck. I'm going to have to look into that more often, more in the future, sorry. So they've got Komodo, only 1 miner. Litecoin Z, 25. Safecoin, 99 miners. They've got Snowgem with 29. And then we've got Votecoin, we've got Zcash, Z Classic, ZCash, and ZenCash. And you can see, you know, ZCash has got 51. Z Classic, ZenCash have only got 1 or 2 miners. So it's one of those things. They seem to be popular with a lot of the kind of newer coins, and some of the established ones are not. But you know, if I had to use, I used them for Bitcoin Z, and you know, they were reliable enough that I would consider using them for the other coins, because 0.2% is very, very low. So there's a Twitter page at the bottom and their Discord group. So you know, if you've mined before, and I'm sure if you're watching this video you have, you know how to get connected, and they've got instructions here. You know, if you look at Bitcoin Private, for example, username is your Bitcoin private wallet address and worker name, no password. You can use Equipool Miner if you want. Host, mine Equipool 1DSUS, and then you've got all the different ports for CPUs, for GPUs, for farms, and all that. You know the drill, and it's, you know, it's slightly different for this one. You can see this one's got American, European, and Asian hosts. It depends on what coin you pick. Now, what I'll do just now is I'll go through and we'll just pick one of the workers. So you can see all the different coins listed here, but if I just pick the top one. So this is someone's mining address. You know, this is what they've been mining, and we'll get to see here what this page is all about. And you can see here you've got the sol rate and all this, the average around here. So I mean, this page shows you everything you need to know. You've got the hash rate here, the speed, the difficulty, the shares, current block stats, profit projections, and that's quite interesting. It shows you the, you know, the profit projections in coins, but it also shows you in Bitcoin and dollars. You know, not a lot of pools do that. That's quite interesting. And they've got network stats there. Pool hash rate, network hash rates. They've got quite a large chunk of the network hash rate. They've got their wallet. They've got this guy's mined $1,000, received 349,000 Bitcoin Z, daily profits of $223. So this guy's obviously got a big rig. Payments, pending blocks there as well. So it's got everything you need from a stats point of view. This pool has everything you need. No complaints there, and that is something that you have to really talk about, because I've mined to some pools, and you're mining blind. The stats taking hours to update. They don't tell you a lot of information. They don't tell you, what the pending blocks are and things like that. So the more you mine, the more you rely on these stats, and the more you realize the importance of them, at least to check that everything is okay. So it seems very good in that regards. So this is Equiminer. This is their free mining software, but obviously their software will launch other mining applications like DSTM, and those applications might charge 1%, but Equiminer is free. It's an alternative to something like Awesome Miner. It is a GUI, that's all it is, just a user-friendly graphical user interface to help you mine, to stop you from having to manually edit all the bat files from miners. Like you see here, check out Equiminer, a free mining app to make it mining at Equipool as easy as it can be. Comes equipped with all the latest mining software and is compatible with NVIDIA and AMD, which is worth pointing out because Equihash tends to be used by NVIDIA cards, but AMD can do it. All you need to do is add your wallet address and Equiminer does the rest. It even comes with auto coin switching for profitability based on current prices or difficulty. So that will actually, this essentially sets up an Equihash pool for you. Now this is something I've got set up on Awesome Miner myself. I've added like several different Equihash coins, and every 5 minutes it will look at the most profitable coin, switch to it, switch to it, and switch to it. Now I don't do that all the time. I don't do I don't know what happened there, but I don't do that all the time. I actually, I've been mining a specific coin for a week and then changing. But it is there when I want it to be. When I don't know what to do, I'll sometimes just switch, and it'll switch between like Z Classic and Bitcoin Gold and all these other kind of coins. So it is there, and it's pretty cool that this has got this built in. And saying that, Bitcoin Gold seems to be one of the only Equihash coins they don't have. But I don't know if that's I don't know if Equihash is a ZCash fork though, is it? I'm not sure. Right. So if you go to GitHub, you follow the link, you go to GitHub, you can download this software. And this is where I say, here's one I prepared earlier because I've downloaded it already. So I've not actually mined with this yet. I just kind of downloaded it today. I've been playing around with it just to see what it can do, but I'm still mining with Awesome Miner. So asterisks, I'm not going to lie to you, I haven't actually been actively mining with this because I've been mining to other pools. But I have mined to Equipool, I just not used this software. So you can see here, this is how easy it is to set up. You've got Equiminer, default region, North America, Europe, or Asia. And it'll, if you pick a coin that, only is based in America, then even if you pick Europe, it might only, it'll default to USA. Wallet configuration, you've got Bitcoin, private, Z, you've got a lottery, you can switch between them. KMD, it's got all the coins listed there. It's really good the way they've got them there. And it, it tells you the website address, the coin name, and all you do is you enter your wallet address before you can mine, and then when you do that, there's even a link to your worker page. How cool is that? That's really cool. I really like that. So you can see here status, you've got my CPU, so I can do CPU mining through that. That's really cool, and I can actually assign a certain percentage of my CPU threads to a particular coin. Now that's really interesting because this is something that Awesome Miner isn't really set up well to do. It really isn't set up well to, I mean, you can use CPU opt miner, but it isn't really set up. You can't really adjust what you're doing. But using this, I could pick like a new coin like Bitcoin Z or Safecoin or anything like that, and I could get them to use like 50% of my CPU. Very, very interesting that they've built that into it. But you can see here, all you do is you've got my GPU 0 and 1. I've got two 1080 Ti's in this PC. And you don't have to believe me on that because it actually says it there. 11 gigabyte of memory, and you just pick your coin, Hush, I don't know, Safecoin, and look at that. So next you do is you can launch, you can choose your miner. So you've got DSTM, EWBF, B miner, NHEQ miner. I've not used that one myself. And And it's really interesting that you can actually assign these miners to be something different. You know, I could use one miner for one coin and one miner for another coin. It's very, very interesting. When you look at the configuration, you can see a lot more options here. Auto pool switching. Switch from the most profitable, highest Bitcoin return, most popular, coin with the most hashing power, most blocks, lowest average pool lock time, Equipool recommended, and then you can actually define user difficulty if you want to use your own. You get manual select file and all that there as well. And then you've got advanced, idle start, idle time before mining starts. So you can start it on launch. You know, it kind of works the same as NiceHash. You know, where you can set it so that after startup it starts immediately, or after 3 minutes it starts up. You know, it gives you a delay if you want your other applications to load up. Support AMD cards, Claymore as well. Run each GPU in separate miner instance. It's all there. It's very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. I might use this myself simply for the CPU to see how that works. But I mean, I can't think of any other pool. Sorry, I just jumped to the wrong screen there. I can't think of any other pool that actually does this. Can you think of any other pool that offers unique software? I know a lot of you will say NiceHash, but it isn't common for mining pools to offer their own unique software. Certainly not one like this that is, you know, so, what we say, so configured, you know, so optimized for their own pool. Like this is without doubt software that's been tweaked to perfection for their own pool, as far as, you know, configuration goes, as far as how it all works in selecting coins. It's been, you know, designed from scratch. Very, very interesting. So this has been a look at Equipool. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I mean, it's just to give you an overview of what Equipool does, what it can do. It's a very interesting mining pool. I have used them before for Bitcoin Z and a few other coins. I mined a few to dedicated wallets. I mined a few to economy wallets. Well, my economy wallet. You know, there's a few coins they've got that aren't that popular, but they've got another few coins that they've got a lot of the hash rate. You know, a large part of the network hash rate. I like that they've got the market cap for coins there as well. It would be good to see maybe like the website address, maybe like a Bitcoin talk address, and other useful links like that as well. But other pools don't offer that, so it is a minor criticism. So yeah, this is Equipool. Very low fees, very unique software that you can download to use with their pool. If you've got NVIDIA cards, or even if you want to try it with the AMD cards, but I would say most people with NVIDIA cards use Equihash. So if you've got NVIDIA cards and you like mining to Equihash pools, give Equipool a try. So I'll leave a link to the address down below in the description here, but you can see it there, equipool.1ds.us. Not the most user-friendly domain name in the world, but there you go. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you've never came across it, hopefully you'll check it out and see what it's like. If you have, let me know what you think about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you all in the next one. Take care.